A man produces more than 500 billion sperm cells in his entire lifetime. No wonder it feels like the 4th of July in my pants every Saturday night. This is the shocking truth. The male body is an amazing reproductive factory. It produces around 1,200 new sperm cells every second. In contrast, women are born with an average of 2 million egg follicles, the reproductive structures that give rise to eggs. By puberty, a majority of those follicles close up, and only about 450 will ever release mature eggs for fertilization. Men, on the other hand, don't face this problem. The testicles produce more than 500 billion sperm during a man's lifetime, while shedding at least 1 billion of them per month. The reason for this boils down to 2 words: sperm competition. Since the dawn of the sexes, males have vied with each other to get as many of their own sperm near a fertile egg as possible. None more successful than Genghis Khan himself. Getting more of your sperm closer to an egg means there's a greater probability that it will be you and not your neighbor fertilizing. This kind of competition is an evolutionary imperative for males of any species. If a rival sperm fertilizes an egg, then an opportunity to pass on your genes is lost. Through many generations, as the reproductive spoils continually go to the highest sperm producers, their genes are passed on. The genes of the smallest sperm producers are eventually weeded out of the population and become a footnote to evolutionary history.
Oh my God! Oh!
So lace up them boots and start competing. The future of the world depends on it. This has been The Shocking Truth, brought to you by Dherbs.com.